Today I'm busy weeding the grass a little. It had a lot of weeds, so Martha and I, we are busy weeding the grass. Martha, we are also busy cooking. You know, women are very good at multitasking, so that is what we are doing today. Can you take of these also? These ones? Yeah. Oh, you've taken them off already? Oh, I thought they are still there. So the weeds are being taken off, and then soon our wall is going to be closed up. There's going to be steel ridges here and on that side. And we're going to have a gate. My husband is going to make a rolling gate here. We are busy. We actually want to move those blocks there. We want to move it to this side so that we can start also working on the foundation. Welcome to Block 99. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, and also turn on your notification bell. Um, I just wanted to also show you the project wall fence. This is where we are today. Very nice. My hubs had to be on standby. So today, I think when they've done, when they finish taking the corner, that's when he will see to go out and do his chores, buying materials and stuff. But he really needs to go and buy materials, stock up. But he first wanted to see that this is done properly. It looks pretty neat and pretty straight. Flaxen. I don't know. I said his name is Ephraim, but it's not. Your name is Flaxen. Flaxen. Sorry, I was saying Ephraim. Okay, Flaxen is the contractor. So he's got his workers working with him. So far we are happy with Flaxen and what he's doing. Just want to show you how straight and neat this wall is, if you can see from here. Very nice. So it's almost lunchtime here at Block 929. The guys, they only have one line working, so that is why there are only there's one busy outside. They only have one line working, and that's also why my husband needs to go. He needs to go and buy the extension for them to be able to work properly. They always damage stuff, so yeah, we are used to that. Steve is busy painting, and my husband is busy there again, showing the guys what he wants because he's making a new color mold. He's not happy with the current one that we have. It's not getting good block, so he's making a new one. And he's wearing his t-shirt. He is Ted Kulepeta. So there you can see the Kulepeta clan. Abdi busy with his measuring. So he's making a mold for this pillar. if you can see properly, it's not straight, it's not coming out straight this region. So he's not happy with the way the mold is looking. So that is why we're going to, it's busy making a new mold for this one. I'm on top of the blocks again, and they are strong. Um, as you can see, we are busy curing new blocks again. They already have the water ready for the next round to water. And so mommy just wanted to try out. Um, we have another mold that we hardly use. So when he was making the block on Sunday, he was just saying, let me try this one. So he made this mold. If you can see, it is this one. These ones. One, two, three. They are two. It's partitioning mold. You put them inside when you build your house. It's the walls inside your house to divide your rooms. They are slightly thinner. They are half the size of these blocks. They are 150. These are the 150 by 400 by 200. So these are half that size. So they are the partitioning mold. You use them when you want to divide your rooms inside the house. We don't have a lot of orders for those ones because people normally just use these ones anyway. But yeah, you can also use these ones. You can save on cement, and they are also good for inside your house. Yeah, that was the update for today. There we are with a wall. I am about to go and share food with Martha. And then we're going to be back in the garden. We're going to do the weeding in the garden again. We are, I'm so happy that this is going to be done soon because the kids, they normally just put their hands through there and they grab the roses. So we are careful to plant anything here for now. And that is the video for today, the update. I'll maybe update later again a little bit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment, and also turn on your notification bell. Thank you.